Hello and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I could please have your attention. My name is Andrew Thake, and on behalf of Beacon Events, I'd like to welcome you to the 18th Annual Minds and Money Awards for Outstanding Achievement. We are absolutely delighted that the awards are back, and it's great to see so many of you here this evening at our first in-person event for 2 years. A huge thank to Extractive Search for sponsoring the drinks. Let's please give them a huge round of applause. The awards categories, if I can just move to one side, the award categories should be appearing behind me. If we can just have them on the screen now. I will go and read these. We have the Charles Kernot Mining Analyst of the Year Award. We have Mining Deal of the Year. We have ESG Exploration and Developer of the Year. We have ESG Producer of the Year, Exploration Discovery of the Year Award, Mining CEO of the Year Award, and Lifetime Achievement Award. We received over 120 nominations this year, and I am grateful for the various judging panels who helped whittle down the nominations to a shortlist and an eventual winner. The awards would not have been possible without our award sponsors, who were BMO, Digby, Extractive Search, who, as I mentioned, are also sponsoring this year's drinks reception, Satala, SLR Consulting, Peel Hunt, and the London Mining Club. Can we please give them a round of applause, along with everyone who has been shortlisted? So, thank you very much. So let's start with the first category for this year's Minds and Money Awards for Outstanding Achievement. And the first category up is the Charles Kernot Mining Analyst of the Year. Best brokers, we know, are supported by great analysts doing excellent research. Minds and Money is proud to partner with the London Mining Club to recognise excellence. Can we please give a warm welcome to Tommy Horton from the London Mining Club?
Good evening. It's a great pleasure to be back here in person. It gives me great pleasure to announce this year's, or 2021's, Charles Kernot Mining Analyst of the Year Award. The judging panel for this award consisted of fund manager from BlackRock, Fidelity, Baker Steel, Schroders, and 91. And it goes to the research analyst that has provided outstanding, thought-provoking, high-quality research that has made a big impact on fund managers over the past 12 months. And the award is in memory of the great late Charles Kernot. For those who've been here a while, who may know who he is. So the winner goes to Danielle Chigumira from Alliance Bernstein for a high-quality ESG research.
So I'm
Danielle here.
We should have Danielle should be in the room, I'm hoping. Danielle, would you like to go and come to the stage? Whilst Danielle is just making her way to the stage, just a few reasons why she won the award. Since joining Alliance Bernstein a little over a year ago, Danielle has been recognised for producing thought-provoking, high-quality work, especially around ESG. Can we please give her a warm welcome?
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Okay, and now we are on to our next category, and our next category is Mining Deal of the Year. So I'm hoping we should have, by the side of the stage, we should have Pascal Lussier-Duquet from BMO to go and read out the shortlist and tell us a little bit about who the winner is. A warm welcome to the stage to Pascal.
Thanks, Andrew. So for the Mining Deal of the Year, the nominees are Endeavour Mining for its acquisition of Teranga, Sandfire Resources acquisition finance to the purchase of Trafigura and Mubadala's Matsa asset, consisting of a $650 million syndicated and underwritten debt facility and a fully underwritten $950 million equity raise. Trafigura and Mubadala's sale of its Matsa asset to Sandfire for $1.8 billion US. Agnico Eagle and Kirkland Lake Gold merger of equals. Appian's sale of its Brazilian nickel asset to Sebastian for US $1 billion plus an additional royalty. And finally, Polymetal's innovative sustainability-linked bond financing by UniCredit and Raiffeisen Bank for US $400 million with interest rate payment linked to greenhouse gases emissions. And the winner is... the winner is Appian for its sale of the Brazilian nickel asset to Sebastian for $1 billion plus an additional royalty.
Okay, very, very well done to Appian. I think we may have Appian in the room, so can we please invite them to the stage to go and accept the award? Yes, you hand it over, yeah, we'll hand over the award, okay.
I don't have...
Oh, the award should be given aside, sorry. We made a slight technical hitch. Helen, perhaps you can bring the award on the stage to... Okay, we think we're going to do that again. Pascal, would you like to hand over the award to Appian?
There you go. Congratulations. Thanks so much. Well deserved. Well deserved.
Congratulations to Appian, and many thanks once again to Pascal and BMO for sponsoring the award. If you'd like to make your way over to this stage, we can do little photos with you. And then, okay, sorry, and then off this way. Okay. Right, great stuff. And now on to our two ESG awards, which are sponsored by Digby and Satala. To tell us more about the awards, hopefully onto the stage with the envelope as well as the awards this time, can we please give a warm welcome to Jamie Strauss, Chief Executive Officer and founder of Digby, and Sarah Gordon, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Satala.
So just to start off with, there's been a bit of muttering over on this side of the stage that we're a bit flat tonight. So, hello, London! We can do better than that. Hello, London! There we go.
I think that side's a bit stronger.
Do you think that side's a bit stronger? This could go on all night, Jamie. Okay, off to you.
Right, Jamie Strauss, CEO and founder of Digby. Digby's an ESG disclosure platform for all of the industry. Not just the seniors, not just the juniors, but for everybody. And do you want to go next?
Yep, and Satala is a risk management and ESG specialist consultancy with teams all around the world, helping you to make ESG a reality, not a tick box.
Thank you very much. So, do you want to go next question?
Why did we do it?
Okay, so Satala and I came together on sponsoring this award because we basically want to win the hearts and minds of society, make sure that fund managers and stakeholders, local individuals on the ground, as well as governments, all understand exactly where mining is, how we're going to sustainably produce the raw materials that we do need for the transition to a sustainable future. So we're looking for the whole industry to come together on this and to be one.
We'd also like to say a massive thank you to everybody who was nominated and put in the time and effort to submit the entries for these awards. We found it incredibly difficult. In fact, the entire process behind the scenes in terms of deciding on the winners of tonight's awards, we're really, really, really happy with the quality of the submissions. So a massive thank you to everybody, and we look forward to all of the submissions for next year as well. So, on to the ESG Exploration and Developer of the Year, and I have the shortlist here. The shortlist includes Akobo Minerals, give them a round of applause. Geodrill, who get a special commendation because they're a services company rather than a mining company, but they put in a fabulous entry. So Geodrill, round of applause. Mawson Gold.
Yay!
And Royal Road Minerals.
Yay!
And to announce the winner, I hand over to Jamie Strauss.
So the winner of this year's ESG Exploration and Developer of the Year Award is Royal Road Minerals.
And I think we should have Royal Road Minerals should be, okay, I can see this. I need Tim Coughlin from Royal Road Minerals. Please come to the award. Please come to the stage. Well done, Tim.
Tim, congratulations. Us both.
Would you like to say a few words, Tim, or?
Just delighted to have received this award and privileged to be working with such special people in our group and some amazing communities in some difficult environments. Thank you.
So, for the first equal most important prize of the evening is the ESG Producer of the Year, and the shortlist is Coeur Mining, Golden Star Resources, New Century Resources, and Tech. Over to you, Sarah, for the winner.
Can you feel the excitement in the air? They're saying, no, just bring me another drink. Okay, and the winner for the ESG Producer of the Year is Golden Star Resources.
And I am hoping to have Golden Star Resources in the room. Hopefully there is going to be someone in the room. Would you please like to come to the stage and pick up your award? Okay. Would you like to say a few words? We'll do the photo first. Okay. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you very much for this, and just like to say that Golden Star's vision is to be a sustainable and diversified gold mining company that our stakeholders are proud to be a part of. So on behalf of Golden Star, I'd like to thank those stakeholders for their support. We wouldn't have an ESG award without them. I'd also like to thank, on behalf of Golden Star, the team from Ghana and the team from the UK to say thank you to our CEO, Andrew Ray, and our board of directors for their leadership. Again, this is a testament to their commitment to sustainability. So thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you once again to ESG and Digby, and to Jamie Strauss and Sarah Gordon. Thank you very much. And now we are on to our Exploration Discovery Award, for which we received a large amount of nominations. To share with us the shortlist and winner, please can we welcome to the stage Ross Alistair, Director Mining Investment Banking from Peel Hunt. Ross, welcome to the stage.
Thank you, Andrew. Peel Hunt's very proud to be sponsoring the drinks event that's going to be happening later, so to see you all there. The nominees for the Exploration Discovery of the Year Award are Amex Exploration, Chalice Gold Mines, De Grey Mining, Sovereign Metals, and Volcanic Gold Mines. The winner is De Grey Mining.
Okay. Can we give a huge round of applause for De Grey Mining? Now, some of you may know De Grey Mining are based in Australia. Obviously, due to COVID-19 and travel restrictions, they're not able to be here with us this evening. But I'm hoping we should have a video from them, should be coming up on the screen behind us right now. So if we can please play the video from De Grey Mining.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I trust you have enjoyed the first day of the conference. On behalf of De Grey Mining, it's my great honour to be able to accept the Mines and Money Exploration Discovery of the Year Award for the discovery of the Hemi gold deposit. After first discovering Hemi in early 2020, we rapidly scaled up our drilling activities. In just 15 months, we drilled more than 200,000 metres of RC and diamond drilling, plus another 200,000 metres of air core drilling testing intrusion targets in and around the discovery. A little over 5 months ago, we announced the maiden mineral resource for Hemi of 6.8 million ounces, which lifted the total resource at our Malina Gold project to 9 million ounces. The intrusion-hosted style of mineralisation at Hemi makes it a highly valuable deposit due to the thick widths of the ore zone, consistent grades and high ounces per vertical metre. The resource grew at a rate of just under 500,000 ounces per month since discovery. We're very lucky to have found such a large deposit about 50 kilometres south of Port Hedland in Western Australia's Pilbara region, which is in an area rich with existing infrastructure and a strong mining culture. Our team has now expanded to more than 150 people as we progress studies and continue to test the exploration potential of the 150 kilometre long tenement package that we have. A scoping study completed in early October demonstrated that Hemi could be in the top 5 largest gold mines in Australia, with an average annual production of 473,000 ounces per annum over the first 5 years and 427,000 ounces over the first 10 years. The mine would also be in the lowest operating cost quartile for projects producing above 200,000 ounces per year and is in the top 3 largest gold developments globally. We're aiming to improve on these metrics in the PFS that's now underway. Our drilling is extending mineralisation along strike and at depth, and we are pushing out from the discovery into new areas to grow resources and make another large discovery. My colleagues Andy Beckwith, Phil Tornatore, Alan Neeshaw and Rohan Deshpanda deserve all the credit for leading the discovery and the resource drill out, and so I'd like to acknowledge their leadership. The De Grey board of Chairman Simon Lill and Directors Peter Hood, Ed Eschers and Bruce Parncutt also deserve recognition for their perseverance and foresight. Of course, I would also like to extend my appreciation to all of our team on site who are making great efforts in hot conditions. We hope that we can all be back in London this time again next year, and in the meantime, we'll try not to go too hard on your cricketers when the Ashes start down here next week. Despite my surname, I'll be cheering for the Australians. Thank you once again to the Mines and Money team for this award, and I hope you all have a great evening.
Thank you very much. Can we just give another round of applause for De Grey Mining, winner of this year's Exploration Discovery, and also to Ross Alistair from Peel Hunt. Before we move to the final award of the evening, earlier today, for those of you that missed it, we gave out the Lifetime Achievement Award sponsored by SLR Consulting. We awarded it to Mark Cutifani of Anglo American. He joins an illustrious list that includes Mark Bristow, Ned Goodman and Andrew Forrest. But which mining CEO impressed us most over the last 12 months? To share with us the shortlist and winner of this year's Mining CEO of the Year, please give a warm welcome to James Young, Head of Mining Practice at Extractive Search, and of course, the sponsor of this drinks reception. James, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Andrew. We are very proud to be sponsoring this evening. Just while I have your attention, we are a 100% mining-focused executive search firm. We build boards in Canada, the UK, Australia, South Africa, and the C-suite and senior management teams that go with them. We also have a separate team who do remote site search. So the plug being over, I'd like to go through the nominations, starting off with Paul Cronin, CEO, Adriatic Metals. Come on! Morgan Hart, CEO, Emerald Minerals. Sebastian de Montuesses, CEO, Endeavour Mining. Simon Ridgway, CEO, Gold Group. Marna Klut, President, Ivanhoe Mines. Tony McCutch, CEO, Kirkland Lake Gold. Eric Fire, CEO, Silvercrest Minerals. And Peter Dembicki, President and CEO, Tier 1 Silver. And the winner is Sebastian de Montuesses, CEO, Endeavour Mining.
Sebastian can't be here this evening, but can we please invite Michael Beckett, Chairman of Endeavour Mining, to the stage to accept the award.
You can tell by my accent that I'm not French, but on behalf of Sebastian, who can't be here tonight because he's traveling, I'd like to thank everybody for this award. Sebastian did ask me to say that this is an award just for him, it is an award for the Endeavour team. We've had a good year, and we're going to have a better year next year. So thank you.
Okay. Do you want me to draw the ticket? Me draw the ticket? Right. Sorry. One last thing, Michael. So are we asking Michael to go and draw a ticket for us? We are, aren't we? So Michael, I don't know if you want to just go and take a seat here while I do an introduction. One last thing, Michael, is as you know, mining is one of the least diverse sectors when it comes to gender, and this, of course, to our detriment. This is why Mines and Money has teamed up with Women in Mining UK, a volunteer-run non-profit that promotes the employment, retention and progress of women in the mining industry. During the conference, Women in Mining UK has been selling tickets for this year's raffle. I hope that you have all brought tickets. This prize this year is a 1-ounce gold coin donated kindly by Endeavour Mining and Hummingbird Resources. 100% of the funds goes to the Women in Mining UK scholarship programme, which reduces the financial barriers and encourages more women and study mining at the Camborne School of Mines. So can we please give a round of applause? It's a really worthy cause. And without further ado, let's draw that lucky ticket.
You better read them.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most exciting part of the night because somebody has won this, and it is Kelly Malcolm from Amex Exploration. Is Kelly here?
We must have Kelly in the room. Or do we have someone that knows Kelly?
Or anybody from Amex Exploration? Well, if not, we know how to get in touch with her. But it's great that, well, it's fabulous that a young woman has won this gold coin. But it means so much to women in mining to raise funds for these scholarships. There's 3 scholarships to the Camborne School of Mines, 1 scholarship to ICL in London for the master's program in mining engineering. So if you haven't bought a raffle ticket, sorry, too late. But if you do want to make a donation to the scholarship fund, then please either find me or Amon, and we would very happily take your money for an amazing cause to encourage more young women into this incredible industry. So huge thank you to all of you for supporting us.
And it is real.
And I think we just have one more prize to go and draw. So I'd like to welcome back on stage James Young of Extractive Search. James, if you'd like to come back on stage, let's just give a few moments there. Yeah, give me a warm welcome again to James Young of Extractive Search.
Thank you very much. Bit of a traffic jam there. So what we're giving out now is a 20-year-old bottle of champagne. It's a P2 Dom Perignon. You've all been putting your cards in the bowl for a chance to win this. So we're going to, at random, I promise it's at random, fish this out. Whoever wins, this will be a fantastic addition to kick off your festive celebrations. So fingers crossed, it might be you. Right, who we got? Milan Jerkovic.
Okay. Is Milan in the room?
Is he in the room?
Is Milan in the room? I think I can see someone coming around. Okay. Let's give a warm welcome to Milan, our lucky winner. Okay, thank you very much. That concludes our formal proceedings. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our sponsors, all the conference attendees, and all those who voted and submitted the nominations, which really helped make this a very, very special evening. The Extractive Search drinks reception goes and continues up until around about 6:30, and then after that, and it continues in the cafe on the floor behind us, and then we will adjourn around about 18:30. Make our way over to the vineyard where the Peel Hunt drinks reception starts. Thank you very much, and I hope that you all enjoyed the first day of Mines and Money London. Thank you very much.